Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to turn on flashlight on OPPO Reno 12 Pro. Firstly, pull twice from top of the screen to the bottom, so just like that, and search for the flashlight icon. For me it is located here, but it may vary on your phone, and if you cannot find it anywhere here, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and tap on Edit Tiles. Here, find it in more tiles. If it's not here, it would definitely be there, and after you found that, just simply tap on the plus icon. Now we can go back, and as you can see, I had flashlight earlier, so now just simply tap on this icon and flashlight has been turned on. You can also change the power that it is lit up with. And that's all. If I helped, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.